Siyabonga bekunene. First of all, CEO Walanzawo Football Association, thank you for welcoming us to your stadium. Siyahlala stadium wena. So thank you very much for hosting us as a ministry in this place. Siyaqala ukufika lapha sinye labanye. Siyambangala ukuthi kuhle kanjena la. That's wonderful. Shoko la ukuthi nembala sizakuthi sidlale World Cup in a very few years time. Siyongena World Cup. Mkhaya wami siyabonga Thabethe kuba nawo as the ministry yaka sports. Sibonge SA president nebantu abangani bakho netihlobo tethu Instacash Webstars Mbaleba nomunye Swatin TV ngiyishiye siyabonga for the support. Bekunene as a Ministry of Education, we are always about education. We always pride ourselves by giving proper education to the Liswati child. So the education does not go alone. As we teach physics, by the way, I'm a physics teacher. That's why I now be examined. As you teach physics in class, there are many things lo mntwana la hamba la funa ukuthi ati grasp yasafunza, and uti grasp by having a fit body. So that's why we have extracurricular activities at Ikolweni, of which part of them will board. Now, it's a pity kukhanza ukuthi these activities in some schools have taken priority over the academics. So khanza ukuthi esikolweni sekuphuma imali yonke iyodlalisa isoka ngengabona nje lento yesikolo khanza ukuthi akusafundzwa mayodlala kufuma bus lang 11 nathi singuphi lapho elena abakhala bosami last year babhasa lang 20 labanye bakhona. But sisho ukuthi bekunene we have to have the extracurricular activities, but not superseding the academics. Now, lama sporting activities endelwe labantwana labafunza la esikolweni full time. Ngiyajabula nje ukuthi president USA ukubeke kwacaca lokuthi bekunene sidlalisa labantwana bethu labafunza full time la esikolweni. Awuna uthatha nje baba imingoma etulu lapha bese akayodlala ngobushefile ude slave. Uzahamba udlala ke ngoba uyakwathe ukukhahlela ibhola. We have seen that happening in some schools la kunedojane khona. So khanda ukuthi bekafunza last year so uqedile esikolweni seniyamlanzi yathi mina ugogo lokubulo kahle manje wena come back and pay for us. That is wrong. And if sekubona lo, I want to send that warning, and very serious warning. Sishaya head teacher, sishaya sports teacher. They will come to my office. Vele angifuni ukukuyenga. Sitakusebenta ngendlela yakhona uma utawufaka idojane lama games lawo. These games are meant for the students and students in your school only. Aneke bese uthi ngoba lo bafunza lapha emhlosheni abedlala kahle ayithekale kahle so udliwe umhlosheni so yamfaka la bearing ngiyabekisa bekunene. So yamlanza lemhlosheni umfaka la odlala ibearing yakho la ukuyicala lo. Angifuni ukuyiteka ke le African science. chemical nje minyaka yesintu angiyathi bekunene. I don't believe in it. If uyenda, God is your witness that bonela wethu bana swenza njani. Laba labakwathi ngena batakwendela kamnanzi nanabo lapho. In short, asifuni ukudojana. Let us play fair. Usithe nje lomunye kune doping. Kunemdlali bengimthanza yadlala iManchester bambamba for doping. Wahlala for so many years angadlali. And that thing kills your career. Bantu bami ningakwendi lokho sefana kambi. Do not ningene kule mikhiba lemibi letanenda ukuthi nigcine senilimala. Balimala even psychologically. Mkhulu msasahlanya. Literally ahlanya because wasebenzisa lokungasetshenziswa as to enhance ability to play the sport. It is wrong. If your teacher says go and do it, fanele ucele ukungangeni etimini. Ngicela kungadlali etimini. Khona unanjalo la South Africa. Usekumkhaya utasishaya basho team yakhe. Wavele wathi if you are doing this, I'm not party to it. Ngicela ukukhwesha. Uphume nje kanjalo. Because kuwugama. So siyabonga Mr. Cash namhlanje na ukuthi you brought us together ungaqali. And siyajabula lokuthi you are saying to us we are pushing on and on for the next 3 years and we are hoping and praying ukuthi it goes beyond 3 years. Unganiki nje emiyeni yedvana uthi ngoba uyahamba after 3 years so la ukuthi awuhamba. Thina sesikubambile with your partners ukuthi awusayinzawo. Utawungena abasemini hayi sengihambile sihamba kahle nengisele ngala. So qhubeka sisebenze. We need the support as a ministry to ensure that our children, our school children get the best of education. Mase ugula phela nokusafundza. Angithi kambe. So if you keep yourself fit, utawukhona ukufundza uphase. Sine nje besidala besports sifundza. Ngisho university. We get to university, we play sport ngala, we go to class, we study, we pass. Asekuphela nje ukuthi if you are good in sport, you are dull in class. Asekufuni lokho. Angena ngathi BSc university ngayishaya 4 years ngaqedza ne-education ecards. Ngidlala ema-sports la university. And ngidlala actively. Noma sengicedile-ke ukufundza, we went on to do sports. So siyabonga njena le initiative lesinayo. Swazi TV sakubona kuqala na today siyaqhubeka siyakubonga because your kind gesture of recording our games kusho kona ukuthi livela kangwane la ukuthuthuka. Because kunema scouts all over the world. Uma sekufika kuvela la ku YouTube sekuvela umdlalo kangwane ungaka wesovela ku YouTube. Utawubona ngifegasini lengilana. Ubone nguJose Mourinho ngaya la khona. I said there's a player there. Let me go and tap on that person. Bakufuna baze bakuthole. Bakulanze udlalelela abadlala so badlala khona. And any huge man, those guys any rich. Nokutsheka lezi ngihola so many million pounds a week. How much is that? Awuboost nekubhutra kangwane. So if you continue playing sports, you'll find yourself earning a living and a much better living. Could also sportless. ESA, a word of warning again. Nyalo, you are complaining with network fail. Some schools have not joined in your activities. About bagat balegeli, bakoshwe ngini, the way you run the games. Bakoshwe ngini, the way you run the games. So you've got a mandate again to bring them back. Ngabe ukhala abafuni bahambile vele, but bahambeleni. Find that reason. Ngabuyise thudala, but angitshela ukuthi oh, there's no transparency in you. Ngiyadela imali ngiyayithatha nje indlela ningasitshezi kwento njani. Nisuke nine ndoje kwanine in the running of the games. But you fix games, you fix matches. But awuhamba vele. Anebahlale labo la kungcole khona but avele bathi ubaba yini bekunene. Nesikhathi. Uba nje uthi njalo kuna Source TV. Ufuna ukutelevisa igame yakho. Liqala nga10 ekseni, liqala nga12. Lo usona ngesikhathi lo mdlalo. Uthi nje utshela kasi program yami iqala nga10, ngifaka ibhola, ngifaka athletics, ngifaka ini. It must be starting at that time. It all phela on time. And bantwana abancane lapho, they need to go back home on time. And which means uma kuthi isikhathi sits, they must be home. So make sure ke nanani nidlalisa professionally. Nidlalisa professionally so that everyone becomes happy. Mina nje I'm hoping nje ukuthi next year basayabaningi nabajoyinile. Uthi Instacast indlalisa kahle sengaboni mina. Instacast ujake kwakhe nayo imali yakhe. Mina ngijake kubona professionalism amongst you guys. I want to see it and clean. Nginibone ukuthi nenta kona. In that way the whole country will be jumping into your hands. Ndawuthi mangala ukuthi kwente njani lapho. So bothishela nali bafunds, thank you very much. Kuyajabulisa lokubona ukuthi nemdlandla. Keep it that way and be fair to yourselves. Stand supporter. That is why sithi njena, let's play these games end of June siqedile. July my exams labhalwa kwetikolweni. Third term my exams. So we're pushing with everything must be done before the exams. So the so-called formula and have time to study, prepare for our examinations. So that is possible. So my under 19, my under 17, my under 15, let it be like that. Ngoba protest, Sandfield then overaged player, it wastes time and money. So this is engine we are fielding the correct players into the game so that we play kuphele masinyane. And this is for your own benefits. For your own benefit, Instacash, usisitile, Webstars, Swazi TV, asiqhubeke nibekune sibambisane. We're hoping ukuthi kusasa kutawuba na ngibalo lomunye all the other media houses. Now batawuvela bavele basi hey siyabonga mani, we have seen a good improvement in the sports. Etikolo sikela kungena sonke. So ngasho ukuqala kuSAS TV takunisa sivalele ihlelo nje la school sports lapha ku TV. Usuvula TV uthi khazi udlala lapha. Not only ka soccer, naka netball, volleyball, basketball, athletics, all those things. Siyabonga bekunene ukuthi asihambela kahle. On the last note, sicela ke to pass our condolences to the family and the school relatives abamalo shonile. Akusiwo umgomo welitiko kusikwendeke lokho, but kusibisa buhlungu nanathi. Siyacela ukuthi ifamily yakhe ithuthuteke ngalokho lokwendekile. Siyabonga bekunene.